In question 1, we have to find x in the following figures. So we have these two figures in part A and part B. In each of these figures, we have an angle which has an unknown measure. In part A, we have this angle marked x degrees. In part 2, we have this angle which is marked as x. Now, if you look carefully at both the figures, what we are given is the exterior angles in each case. So in part A, for example, we are given this exterior angle 125 degrees and this exterior angle 125 degrees, and we have to find the third exterior angle which is marked as x degrees. Similarly, in part B, we have this angle, exterior angle 70 degrees. We have this unknown exterior angle which is x. This exterior angle is known because it forms a linear pair with this angle which is 90, and this exterior angle is 60, and this exterior angle is also marked as 90 degrees. So what we are going to use is the property that the sum of the exterior angles in a polygon is 360 degrees. So the sum of the exterior angles in a polygon is equal to 360 degrees. This is the result that we are going to use for this question. So in part A, we have the three exterior angles as 125 degrees, 125 degrees and x degrees. So their sum should be equal to 360 degrees. So 125 degrees plus 125 degrees plus x degrees, this should be equal to 360 degrees. So this gives us 125 plus 125 as 250 degrees. So 250 degrees plus x degrees is equal to 360 degrees. So x is equal to 360 degrees minus 250 degrees, and this is equal to 110 degrees. So the measure of this unknown exterior angle is 110 degrees. This is the answer for part A. Similarly, we can do the same thing for part B. We can take all the exterior angles and their sum should be equal to 360. So we have 70 degrees, we have x. So let's write these two angles, 70 degrees plus x. Then we have this third exterior angle here, which will actually be equal to 90 because the interior angle is 90 degrees at this vertex. So the exterior angle will also be 90 degrees because these two angles form a linear pair. So the third exterior angle is 90 degrees. And then we have the fourth exterior angle which is 60 degrees. And then the fifth exterior angle is already marked as 90 degrees. So we get this also as 90 degrees. And this sum should again be equal to 360 degrees. So let's put together the angles with known measures. So 70 plus 90 is 160. 160 plus 60 is 220, and 220 plus 90 is 310. So we get x plus 310 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. And from here we find our value of x. X will be equal to 360 degrees minus 310 degrees, and this is equal to 50 degrees. So the unknown exterior angle in part B is 50 degrees, and this is the answer for part B. And with this, we have completed question number 1. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.